GGGetListItems is a function in GameGuardian that retrieves a list of all items currently stored in the saved list. The saved list is where you can store memory addresses, values, and other data that you have identified as important during your memory searches or modifications. This function returns a table of items, where each item contains details such as memory address, value, flags, and so on. This is a simple tutorial on how to use the function in a script. The first line ensures that the GG object is available and initialized. If GG is already defined, it remains unchanged. If GG is not defined, it gets initialized as an empty table. This is a common practice in Lua to avoid errors when using external libraries or APIs. The next line tells GameGuardian to search the memory for the value 100. The search is specifically looking for values stored as dword, meaning 32-bit integers. After performing the search, the script retrieves the first 10 results found by the search and stores them in a variable named results. The keyword local ensures that results is a local variable, meaning it can only be accessed within the scope of this script. The next line takes the search results stored in the results variable and adds them to the saved list in GameGuardian. The saved list allows you to keep track of specific memory addresses and their associated values, so you can easily reference or modify them later. Local items retrieves all the items currently saved in GameGuardian's saved list and stores them. This is the beginning of a loop that will go through each item in the items list. iPairs is a Lua function that iterates over the list, giving you both the index, I, which is the position of the item in the list, and the item itself. GGClearResults clears the search results from GameGuardian. Inside the print function, string format function is used to format the output into a readable string. Item %d is the item's index number in the list. Address %x is the memory address of the item, formatted as a hexadecimal number. Value %s shows the item's current value. Flags %d displays the item's flags, which describe the type of value or how it should be handled, like whether it is a dword, float, etc. This type of script is typically used in game hacking scenarios where a user wants to locate and potentially modify in-game values or experiment with game mechanics.